50th WingFest. 20 years we've been doing this festival here on Hilton Island, here in Shelter Cove, and it's a gorgeous day, and people are coming out in droves right now. We had a huge crowd last night for the laser show, going to 6 o'clock. It's great bands, JoJo Squirrel, Reggie D's, and then Liquid Ginger from Savannah. It's a great day. 18 restaurants cooking up their best wings in Kid Zone, Rock Wall. Mr. Peanut is here from Planter's Nuts, so come on out, something for everybody.